Good morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Varma, and today I am going to discuss next part of the decimal. In previous part, we discussed how to solve the question, and in this part also we will discuss how to solve question. And this is your exercise 8.3. And now let's start exercise 8.3, question 1. What is given in question 1? You have to find out which is greater. Clear, student? So this is very easy question. Now I will give proper explanation and you have to see carefully. Now first is given 0.3 or 0.4. Clear, student? Now you have to decide which one is greater. अच्छा student, I explain two method how to compare. ठीक है ना? तो let us talk about first method. What was the first method, student? First method was you have to see after decimal one digit is given. Clear, student? So many times I explain you, if after decimal one digit is given, it means you have to divide it by 10. Clear, student? And after decimal there is two digits are given, so you have to divide by what? 100, because you know that if after decimal there is only one digit, so simply you have to divide by which number? 10. So you can write down 3 upon 10. Clear, student? Similarly, this one, what you can write down? You can write down 4 upon 10. Clear, student? Ab the most important thing when you are going to compare, the the denominator should be equal. The denominator should be always equal. Clear, student? So now here you can see denominator is equal, student. So denominator is equal, then you can compare easily. Now you can see one is given, the one number is 3 by 10 and other is 4.4 upon 10. So simply, student, you can say, sir, 4 is greater than 3, so we will put this mark. Clear? Yani 4 is greater than 3. Okay. Now come to take another example, like question number D is given 0.5 or 0.05. Clear, student? So now in this question you have to compare. So what you will write down? You can write down 5 upon what? 5 upon 10. You can write down here. What you can write down? You can see after decimal there is two digits. There is two digit. Clear? So you can write down 5 upon what? After decimal two digit, it means you have to divide by 100. Clear? अब you can say, sir, denominator is not equal. So the first step we will take, we will equal the denominator. Here 10 is given and 100 is given. So for equating denominator, what you have to do? You have to take LCM. Clear, student? So take LCM 10 and 100. You know that LCM of 10 and 100. 2 5 are 10. 2 5 are 10. 0. 2 5. 2 2 are 4. 2 5 are 10. Now this is divisible by 5. 5 1 are 5. 5 5 are 25. फिर 5 1 are 5. 5 1 are 5. Clear, student? So what is the LCM, student? LCM is 5 5 are 25. 25 2 are 50. 52 are what? 100. Yani LCM is, student, 100. So write down 100. Now what you have to do, student? LCM is 100. Now you have to divide this denominator by this. So 10 divided by 100 divided by 10, it gives what? It gives 10. अब 10 multiply by what? 10 multiply by numerator, मतलब this number. Means you have to divide this numerator by first this denominator and multiply the result by numerator. Clear? Means you will divide by denominator and multiply by numerator. Same process you will apply. 100 divided by 100. It will come what? It will come 1. 100 1 is 100 and 1 multiply by 5. Clear, students? Acha, remember you don't have to add, only you have to put comma because you are comparing. Now it will become what? 50, or this will become what? 5 upon 100. It means you can write down 50 upon 100 and what? 5 upon 100. Is that clear, student? Now which one is greater, student? 50 upon 100 is greater. You can easily say because denominators are equal. Here 100 is in both denominator. You can say, sir, 50 upon 100 is greater. Clear, student? Now take another example. Question number like F. what is given? 0.099 or 0.19. Clear student? Acha. Now you can see here, after decimal there is how many digits? After decimal 3 digits are given there. Clear? You can write down 99 because there is no value of this 0 upon after decimal 3 digit, so 1 2 3 digit. Clear student? And here what you can write down? After decimal only 2 digit, so you can write down 19 upon 100. This concept I think clear because I explain, I give proper explanation by the division method. Now I think you are able to understand. After decimal you can count and put the 0. Now here 1000 is given and here 100 is given. So again you have to do what? Denominator should be equal. So again you will take LCM. So take LCM 1000 and 100. Clear? So again take LCM. 2 5 are 10, 0 0. 2 5 are 10, 0. फिर 2 2 are 4, 2 5 are 10, 0. 2 2 are 4, 2 5 are 10. Now again 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 5 are 10, 25. 5 2 are 10, 5 5 are 25, 5 5 are 25. फिर 5 5 are 25, 5 1 are 5. Again 5 1 are 5. Clear student? So now what is the LCM student? LCM you have to see. So student, you have to see the LCM. What is the LCM? Here you can see 2 2 are 4, 2 are 8, 5 are 40, 45 are 200, 205 are 1000. When you multiply, it will come what? It will come 1000. Clear student? Again you have to divide 1000 and 1000. When you will divide both, it will come 1. So 1 multiply by numerator. Numerator is 99, to multiply by 99. Then you will divide this 1000 by 100. So 100 is given and 1000 given. So when you will divide 1000 by 100. Clear? So 1010, 2020. Yani what comes student? 10 will come. So you will multiply 10 by numerator. Clear student? Now this will become 99 upon 1000 and this will become 190 upon 1000. Now you can see easily student ki denominator is same. Denominator is same na student, because in both denominator there is a 1000. Clear? Ab now you can easily say which one is greater student. 99 is greater or 190. So you can say sir 199 is greater than 1000. Clear student? So I think clear. Let us take another example. Now students, take another example. Question number J. 5.64 or 5.603. Again you will apply the same method student. After decimal, how many digits are given student? After decimal only 2 digits are given. So you will write down 564 upon 100. Clear? And here after decimal how many digits are given student? 3 digits. So you will write down after decimal 3 digit yani 1000. Clear na? Only you have to see the number after decimal very carefully. Clear? After decimal 1 digit, so you will increase only 1 0, and why it is coming I explained in previous videos. Okay, so now you know that the LCM of 100 and 1000 is what? In previous question we discussed. So the LCM of 100 and 1000 is what? 1000 was coming because we discussed. Now 100 divided by 1000, you know that it will come what? 10 it will come, because in previous question also we discussed. Now 1000 divided by 1000, it will come what? 1. So 1 multiplied by 5603. Is that clear student? Now come to the next point. This will become 5640 upon 1000, because you will multiply by 10, so 1 0 you will increase, and this will become 5603 upon 1000. Is that clear student? Now अब you can easily say which number is greater. Here you can see denominator is equal. So the first objective was denominator should be equal. Denominator is equal. Now check the numerator. Here 5640 is given. Here 5603 is given. Clear student? Now so you can say which one is greater. So easily you can say sir this number is greater. Is that clear student? So this is the process how you will check which number is greater. Clear student? I think this concept is clear. Now come to the next exercise. Okay student, so our next exercise is exercise 8.5. 4. Clear, student? Now come to the question. What is given? Question number 1. In question number 1, you have to express in decimal. Clear, student? Given express in decimals. Clear, students? So now come to the first question. What is given? Question number A, given 5 paise. So I explain the concept of money, student, how you will convert, but again I am going to explain for your better understanding. You know that 1 rupees equal to what? 100 paise. Clear, student? So 1 paise equal to what? 1 paise, you know that 1 upon 100 rupees. Clear, student? Now come to the question. What is given? 5 paise. A 5 paise is given, so you have to convert in decimal. Achha, one important thing, you have to convert express in decimal rupees. Chalo. Now 5 paise is given na, so you know that 1 paise equal to what? 1 upon 100 rupees. So what you will do? 5 paise is given na, so 5 multiply by what? 1 upon 100 rupees. Clear? Ab you know that similarly I explain if 20 is given. Achha, let us check by division. Chalo, 100 and you have to divide 5. Clear? So you know that 0 you will use. Now 5 is less than 100, so you cannot divide, so you will put 1 decimal. So 1 decimal. So after when you will put 1 decimal, you have to write increase only 1 0. Clear? Not 2 3 0, only 1 0. Achha, now 50 is also not divisible. So what you will do? You will increase also 1 0, because after matlab if you are using decimal, so you have to write only increase 1 0, not more than 1. But here 50 is also less than, so what you will do? In case you can increase also 1 0. This will become what? 500. Now you know that 500, 100 5 ja 500. Clear, student? So this is your answer, means 0.05. Is that clear, student? Okay. So now come to this question. So 5 upon 100 you can write down directly 0.05 rupees 0.05. Acha, this is the division method. Clear, student? This is the division method. But if you want to do rapidly, so I explained what? 20 is given na, it means after decimal there should be 2 digit. Here you can check 2 digit comes na. So similarly after 100 means 20, so after decimal there should be 2 digit. So here you can check. Now let us try in second question. Question is given like 20 paise. Clear? Same process you have to apply. You know that 20 multiply by what? 1 upon 100 rupees. Clear? Up there is no need of division, because you know that the process ki 20 is given na, means after decimal there should be only 2 digit. So write down what you can write down. You can write down 20. Acha, here you can 20, it means after decimal there should be 2 digit. So 20, write down 20. Ab you know that where you will put decimal, student? If you will put decimal here, so it will become wrong, because after decimal there should be 2 digit. So here you will put decimal. Ab you can check similar matlab very easily. After decimal 1 digit and 2 digit. So this is your answer. Easily you can solve this question. Clear, student? Okay. Now come to the next question. Ab next question is given what? Question number D. Clear? What is given? 50 rupees 90 paise. Yani rupees 50 and 90 paise. Clear, student? Now how you will do this question? Of 50 rupees to write down 50. Similarly there will be no change. 90 paise is given na, so 90 multiply by what? 1 upon 100. Is that clear, student? Same 50 write down same as, there will be no change, plus 90 upon 100, student, to write down 90 upon 100. Clear? Ab you know that ki 50 to same, 90 upon 100 means after decimal there should be what? There should be after decimal there should be 2 digits. So write down 90. Similarly you will copy. Ab you can see here you will put decimal easily, because after decimal there should be 2 digit. तो 20 is given ना, तो after decimal there should be 2 digit. तो you can say sir 90 we will write down and we will put decimal here. तो your answer will be correct because after decimal you can check first digit and second digit and मतलब how it is coming I explain in division. Okay, so now when you will add it will come 50.90 rupees. Clear student? Okay, so now come to the next question. Clear student? Our next question is express in meter using decimal. Clear? Next question is express as meters using decimals. Clear students? This is based on same pattern. Now what is given student? First question. First question is given 15 centimeter. Clear? Again I explain how to convert in length. I explained in previous video, but here also I will explain. See, 1 meter equal to what? 1 meter you know that 100 centimeter. Clear? So 1 centimeter equal to what? 1 upon 100 meter. Is that clear student? What is given? Express as meter using decimal. So you have to convert this centimeter into meter. You know that 1 centimeter equal to 1 upon 100 meter. So similarly 15 centimeter is what? 15 centimeter equal to 15 into what? 1 centimeter equal to 1 upon 100. So 15 centimeter equal to 15 into 1 upon 100 meter. Is that clear student? You know that this will become 15 upon 100. Is that clear? 15 upon 100 meter. You know that the process, easy process, you know that how you will convert student? You will convert, write down only 15. Okay. 20 means after decimal there should be only 2 digits. So you know that after decimal there should be 2 digits. So where you will put decimal? You will put decimal here. And this is your 0.15 meter. Clear student? So I think this is clear. Now come to the next question. Now student, come to the next question. Our next question is, let us take another example. C. What is given? 2 meter 45 centimeter. Clear? So 2 meter, so you will write down 2 meters same. There will be no change because you have to convert in meter. Centimeter is given. So you know that 45 multiplied by what? 1 upon 100 meter. Because you know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter equal to 1 upon 100 meter. I explained in previous question. The same formula you will apply. So 2 meter you will write down same 2 meter plus this will become what? 40 upon 45 upon 100. So 2 meter same here. You know that 45 is given. I think now you are familiar how to use 45 and divided by 100. It means after decimal there will be 2 digits. So you will write down 45 and you will put decimal here and 0. So this will become what? Meter. Because 20 yani after decimal there will be 2 digit. So 2.45 meter is the correct answer. Clear student? I think this is clear. Now come to the next question. Next question is third. Express as centimeter. Express as centimeter using decimal. Clear? Now come on the question number A. What is given? 5 mm. 5 mm. Clear? You know that student. Again you have to write down what you have to do in this question. You have to also follow the same pattern. Clear student? You know that 10 mm equal to what? 1 centimeter. Clear student? So 1 mm equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. Clear student? What? 10 mm equal to 1 centimeter. So 1 mm equal to, you know that 1 upon 10 centimeter. 5 mm is given, student. So 5 into, you have to convert in centimeter into 1 upon 10 centimeter. Now it will become 5 upon 10. Clear, student? So 5 upon 10 it will become. So what you will do, student? Denominator, in denominator there is only 1 0. So simply you can write down what? 5, and after decimal there will be only one digit, so 0.5 centimeter. Clear, student? Now come to the next question. What is given? Given 9 centimeter. This is question D. 8 mm. Clear? So centimeter you don't have to change. So 9 centimeter, write down this, plus 8. You know that 1 mm equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. So multiply by 1 by 10 centimeter. So 9, write down 9 plus 8 upon 10. Clear? So what it will become? 9 plus, you know that 1 0, yani after this one there will be only one digit, 0.8. Clear, student? So this is become 9.8 centimeter. Clear, student? This is very easy. Now come to the next. Next is also same pattern you have to use. All question on same pattern I am explaining for your better understanding. Now question number 4. 4 is given, express as kilometer. Express as kilometer. Clear, student? Now come to the question. Let us take example C. 8,888 meter. Clear, student? Now you know that 1 kilometer equal to what? 1000 meter. Clear? So 1 meter equal to what? 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Clear, student? I think there will be no doubt, because you know that 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So 1 meter equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Is that clear? Now you have to convert this meter. You know that 1 meter equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So 8,888 meter. You have to change in kilometer. So you will multiply by 1 upon 1000. Clear? So this is become what? This will become 8,888 upon 1000. Clear? Up what you will do? 30 is given as student. So similarly, what you know that about this? If 3 digit, yani after decimal there will be only 3 digit. So write down 8,888. Up you have to decide where you will put decimal. So answer will be correct. Here you can see 30, yani after decimal there will be only 3 digits. So here you will put decimal, and you can check after this decimal there is only 3 digit. So answer is kilometer. Clear, student? So this is your correct answer. Now students, come to the next question. Question number 5. Same pattern. What is given? Express as kilogram. Clear, student? So what is given? Let us take an example. Given like A, 2 kilogram. Clear? Now you know that first you know that 1 kilogram equal to what? 1000 gram. So 1 gram equal to what? 1 upon 1000 kilogram. Clear, student? So 2 kilogram is given, yani you have to convert in gram. Sorry, 2 gram is given. Sorry, 2 gram is given. You have to convert in kilogram. So 2 into 1 gram equal to 1 upon 1000. Write down 1 upon 1000 kilogram. So this will become what? 2 upon 1000. Clear, student? This will become 2 upon 1000. Now we note that 30 is given, yani after decimal there will be only 3 digits. So here you can say, sir, here only 2 digits are given. So what I explained, student? You have to increase 0 left hand side. So how many digits are required? 3 digits. So 1 digit is given and 2 0 you will increase simply. And here it will become decimal. So answer is 0.002 kilogram. And again, in previous video I explained why you are increasing decimal left hand side, because if you will increase the decimal right hand side, the number will be changed. Clear, student? So this is our exercise 8.4. Now students, come to the exercise 8.5. Clear, student? Now we will start exercise 8.5, and first question is given. Find the sum. Find the sum. Clear student? So now come to the question. As you know that addition, you know that very easily how to add. Now we will discuss the question. What is given? 0.007 plus 8.5 plus 30.08. Ab addition I explain you how to add. Only simply you have to write down like 0.007. Clear? 8.5 also you can increase 0. फिर 30.08. Only you have to add student. तो plus sign here 7 becomes 7. अच्छा, if you want तो you can increase 0. If you want तो you can increase 0. Clear student? I will explain the concept of like term. Like term means after decimal the number मतलब digits will be equal. Here after decimal there is only 3 digit. Here after decimal only 1 digit. Here after decimal 2 digit. So what you have to do in like decimal, you have to increase the 0 and you have to see the number which having maximum number after decimal. Here you can see after decimal 3 digits na. So in every number there will be 3 digit. So if not is given, matlab here you can check after decimal only 1 digit, so you can increase 2 0. So here I increase 2 0. If you want then you can increase, otherwise no matter. So 8 and this will become 5 decimal 0 3. Clear student? So this is your addition. Clear? Again take another example. Come to the another example. Question number D. What is given? 25.65 plus 9.005 plus 3.7. Clear? अब what I explained, you have to check after decimal which number having maximum digit. So here you can see after decimal 2 digit, after decimal 3 digit, after decimal only 1 digit. Clear? So what you will do, you will after decimal in every number there should be 3 digit. So now what we will do, here 25.65 is given na, तो increase 1 0. Clear? Here 9.005 तो ठीक है, this is तो equal 3 digits. Now 3.7 तो write down 3.7 and 2 0 you can increase. Clear? So this will become what? 5. This will become 5. 6 plus 7 13. 9 plus 3 12. 12 plus 5 17 plus 1 18. 2 or 1 3. Clear student? And again if you don't want to increase 0, so again also you can add 25.65 फिर 9.005 फिर 3.7. Again you can check the answer is same or different. तो 5 तो 5 फिर again 5 7 plus 6 13 9 plus 3 12 12 plus 5 70 70 plus 8 18 and 2 तो 3 and decimal here you will put. तो answer is same. Clear student? It is depend on you which method you can मतलब you are going to apply. Clear? Okay, now come to the question number 2. Question number 2 is given. What is given? Rashid spent 35.75 for maths book. Acha. For maths he spent what? 35.75. Okay. Okay. Now for science he spent 32.60. Okay. Now you have to find out what? You have to find out total student. So total means you know that what? Total means only simply addition. Clear? Addition. So this will become 5. 6 plus 7 13. 5 plus 2 8. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 1 carry 8 and 3 plus 3 6. So this is what? 68.35. So what you will write down? Total, this is total na? Total amount, you have to write down also statement spent by Rashid is equal to 68.35 rupees. Clear student? In this question you have to find out total. So here total you have to find out. Clear? Now come to the next question. Next question is given. I am going to do question number 4. Question number 4. Clear student? what is given in question number 4 student? Question number 4 is given. Nasreen bought 3 meter 20 centimeter cloth for shirt and 2 meter 500 cloth for trouser. Clear student? So for you will write down for shirt. For shirt 3 meter 20 centimeter. Clear? And for trouser. Clear student? For trouser. For trouser, this is what? 2 meter 5 centimeter. 2 meter 5 centimeter. Now you have to find out what? You have to find out total length. Total length. So it will become what? Only you have to add, student. Total is given. So 20 and 5, 25 centimeter, and 3 plus 2, 5 meter. This is your answer. Clear student? Only what? You have to do simply addition. Clear students? Acha student, see in this question one important thing. Here it is given 5 meter, it is given 25 centimeter. So always you have to convert in same quantity. It means either you have to convert in meter in both number, either you have to convert in centimeter. Clear? Acha. Now here in this question what I am going to do? I am going to do 5 meter is given. So 5 meter same as, write down same as 5 meter. 25 centimeter na, अब you know that 1 meter equal to what? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. In previous question I explained. And 1 centimeter equal to what? 1 upon 100 meter. You know that very well. Clear? So now 5 meter is given. Okay. 25 centimeter. Yani 25 multiplied by what? 1 upon 100 meter. Because you know that 1 centimeter equal to 1 upon 100 meter. I explained in previous questions. So it will become 5 meter to 5 meter same. Plus 25 upon 100. Is that clear? I explained also previous question, but again, so 5 meter same as you will write down. Up 25 upon 100 is given na. So 20 is given. It means simply you know that if 20 yani after decimal there will be only 2 digit. So write down 2 digit is given. Up here you will put decimal and 0. This is also meter. So answer is what? 5.25 meter. Clear student? So always remember you have to change in the same quantity. If first is meter, so second also will be meter. If first is centimeter, so second will also be in centimeter. Always you have to change in same quantity. Okay? Same unit. So now this is for this video student. In next video we will discuss the next exercise. Clear student? Thank you.